What's going on, everyone? So I did a couple Black Friday shopping, and the Labo stuff and the Maniac stuff came in. So pretty much I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of all the stuff that was bought. But one thing I must go ahead and tell you guys to save some time. It was packed very well. So this is the stuff on the Maniac side. So go ahead and just, that's all the bubble wrap and everything that was in there. It was packed well, but just for the context of the video, looks like something leaked in here. Ooh. So let's go ahead and open this up. Before we talk about what leaked in here, put this real quick down to the side. I got some brushes, and as you can see, there's still bubble wrap on the bottom. I just wanted to save some time, just so that way you guys don't do it, so we don't waste time. So these are the interior cleaners. So I got one on each size, so it looks pretty nice. It says made in the EU. Should be changed to made in USA, but that's it for that. These are the exterior brushes as well. And what does it feel like, Steven? I'm not sure. I got the gloves on.
Feels nice
and soft.
Yeah. Wow.
So
feels really nice.
We're gonna go ahead and see that. So that's what I got there. Put this over to the side, and let's talk about what I got from thing. And then this is. Let me get my knife real quick. I got my knife right here. So let me just cut this up. Got it up. Bam. So something leaked in here, and you can take a look, Steven.
Wow.
I wonder what product that is.
Ooh. Smells like.
Oh, but at the same time, you see,
wax.
it wasn't. I don't know if that's how it comes in with all the spray bottles. Typically, it might be the speed wax.
Could be.
All right, so we got 2 ceramic speed wax. This isn't the wheel and tire cleaner, right? For sure. Right?
No.
All right. So it's definitely the ceramic speed wax, because you have the wheel.
Nice, they'll tell you that much.
So it's definitely one of the ceramic speed wax. So all this is wet in here. I'm gonna contact Maniac, see if they can help out. But look how much leaked in there. So, but it smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Let me just open this bad boy up, since it's already leaking like crazy.
One of them is leaking.
And it's slippery because it's ceramic speed wax. Damn it. So. Yep, there's a ceramic speed wax. Take a whiff.
Yeah.
Yep. So one of these ceramic speed wax was leaking like crazy, so we'll figure out later. But that's pretty much what we got. We got the ceramic speed wax, those interior and exterior brushes, wheel and tire cleaners. This one's for Steven right here, of course. So he got one of them or 2 of them. So let's move on to the Labo stuff. What I got from Labocosmetica. Same thing, they packaged it up very well. So this is Steven's stuff. We did a bulk order, but he's gonna allow me to use these as well, which is the ceramic quick detailer, and also the Aqua Velux is the glass coating. So be excited to try that one out. And oof. We got a lot of stuff in here. So we got that. I got a gallon of Purifica. So this is the only thing that's in here. I got a gallon of Purifica and a small one. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and use. And let me just cut this up real quick and speak about what's in here. Packaged very well. So first up is I did get the Audace Supreme Cut compound. So that's what I got. Second thing that I got was, this is Steven's. He got the Nero, the tire dressing. So that's his, but he's gonna let me use that as well. Other thing, I got Nítido. So Steven got his own Nítido as well. And which is the glass cleaner. Actually, I am missing a glass cleaner because I got 2. So I am missing a glass cleaner. I did put 2 glass cleaners. So pretty much, yeah, so that's about it. So there's not 2 Nítidos, so we're waiting for a glass cleaner. So yeah, I also did get an Energo. That is a lime scale and water spot remover. So it's a gel type. Can't wait to use that. And then, like I said, a small Purifica. So this is everything that we got. I am missing another glass cleaner. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. There's more to come on this. So get ready, and I'll see you on the next one.